customer of ours had an incident in their vehicle. It was sent off to a repairer, a non-BMW approved repairer, only to find that the repair wasn't done properly. It then got sent to an authorised repairer with Precision Auto Work. If you looked at the car, you'd just go, there's nothing wrong with it. You know, certainly from a safety perspective, that car, you know, was completely at risk for the customers. The way the car was repaired wasn't in line with manufacturer's specifications. And we provide our approved repairers, such as Precision Auto Works, with that information because we can trust that they're being repaired properly. These cars are crash tested to make sure that the structural integrity of these vehicles is top notch, and when you're not fitting genuine product, that's when customers are going to see problems, and look, we just can't afford to have that. They've just got to go to a BMW approved repairer because you know what you're going to get.